Hi everyone, I am Smile. So in this video we'll just discuss what are the top 5 websites where you can just apply for the internships. And apart from those 5, and at the end I will just give you a bonus tip where you can just apply for the internships which may helpful for you. Keep watching till the end. So let's start the video. So yeah, the first website is Internshala. So obviously, like you can able to easily get internships through Internshala, right? There will be like paid internships as well as unpaid internships in Internshala. So yeah, you can just search whatever the role you just want. You can just search for that. So you can see I'm looking for. So here we just have internship, online training, and fresher job. So here I'm just. So obviously we're just looking for internships, right? So I just given internship and you can just check whatever the role you just want, right? I will just give. So here you just have data science, right? I will just give data science and you can see the available all the internships available for data science. You can see the work from home internship. So if it is not a remote internship, so you can just search for the location where you just want to work and accordingly we'll just get that. So this is the first website, and second website is Angel List. So obviously like this is mostly we don't know this website, right? Mostly if you just want to search for jobs, we used to check whether either Internshala or LinkedIn, or we used to search, right? This is a very good website, Angel List. Mostly we used to get there will be a lot of internships for from startups. You can see I have already searched data science internship. So you can see I just given the location also, and you can see this is Royal Brothers. This is an startup. So you can, and also you can just see Infinite Technologies. So similarly you just have the startups, right? And also you can see like what are the total number of employees in that startup. Like you can see in this startup we just have 51 to 200 employees. So accordingly you can just choose, right? Accordingly, like whether it's a big startup or whether it is an recently established startup, or you can just find all those things. You can see this is we just have only 1 to 10 employees here in Infinite Technologies. So accordingly you can just search and apply for those. And not only data science, you can just go for like web development, Android development. There are a lot of opportunities also available. And the third one is obviously LinkedIn, right? So this is a most a famous website, LinkedIn. Directly search for the internships here, and from there you can just filter out. So you can see like what's the experience level, right? Entry level or internship, or you can see what's the date posted, what's the when the job role has posted, right? Past month or past week, past 24 hours. You can just filter that, and also what internship you just want to work, right? So you can see here, even here we just have like data science student intern, data science student intern, right? So here we just have a lot of internships also, and also you can just see there are a lot of filters available, right? Like what company you just want to choose, what's the job type you just want, is whether you just want remote or on-site internships, right? So you can just check all these filters also, and also you can see here what's the advantage of LinkedIn is. So when you just create a profile in LinkedIn, you can just directly click this apply now button and you can just directly apply. So when you just click this apply now, what happens means generally the profile which you just created, right, in the LinkedIn, the profile which you just created, it will just it will just send that complete profile to the job posting which you are just applying. So you don't need to again give all the skills, all the projects which you have done. You don't need to give again, you don't need to write again all those things. Like once if you just create a profile in LinkedIn, so you can see we have an apply now button through which you can just easily apply. So third one is LinkedIn, and fourth one is we just have Let's Intern. So this is also an famous website for internships. Even here you can just search for the internships. So here you can see I'm just searching for. So you can see I just searched for web developer. So accordingly you will just get all the internships of that particular role which you just given. So yeah, even through this you can just apply. Even Let's Intern is a very good website. And the fifth one is on Naukari.com. So yeah, we already know, right? Naukari It's also a very famous website, and even through this you can just apply for the internship. So you can see I will just give business analyst. So I'm just searching for the role business analyst. So you can see you will just get the internships. So you can see you will just get the internships for that role. So yeah, right, you can see. Yeah, even this in Naukri.com is a very good website. So yeah, these are the 5 websites which I just recommend you. So I just said you right. At the last, I will just tell you a bonus tip. Like if you just want to apply for a specific company, so you can directly go to their page. Like you can just go to their website and you can just directly apply from there. So for every company, mostly we used to have a separate page for that, like for careers, like for job opportunities or careers. So you can directly go there and you can just apply. So I'll just show you here. So you can see I'm just searching for Microsoft careers, and you can see we just have a separate website for that. So you can just search here, right? So you can just search whatever the roles you just want. So you can see HR, right? Human resources. There are 82 jobs available, 82 postings available, right? So yeah, so this is another bonus tip which I just want to tell you. So you can just directly go to the company which you just want to apply, and from there you can just apply. So these are the 5 websites, and also the bonus tip which I just want to tell you. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you got value from this video. So if you feel this video is helpful, like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and suggest me which type of videos you just want in the comment section. And yeah, so that's it, and thanks for watching.